Shapeways is a 3D printing service doing some very unique things. This one you're going to want to come for sure and see the video podcast. Our next guest is the CEO of Shapeways, and I'm going to try real hard to get his last name right. Peter Weijmarshausen.
Very good, thank you.
It must be because of all the years we broadcast at IFA Berlin. We're learning how to pronounce more names. First of all, who uses your service? And we're going to show some of these cool things that you print.
Well, a lot of people that are using our service are into 3D. And they used to be able to make 3D models on their computer and make animations or renderings of them.
Yeah.
But now they can upload their files to our service at shapeways.com. And we will check whether we can build it. And then if we can, we will tell the people what the price would be. And then we can build it.
And then you actually print it, in this case, build it, and send it to them.
Yes, like an item that I'm holding here. You upload it. We tell you it's about $20 for this one. And within 10 days, we ship it worldwide to you.
That's pretty cool. I mean, and it's obviously like a plastic material of some sort, right? But it's something that I could have designed and then said, hey, can you make this for me? Like maybe a logo, a company logo, or just some fun things. I mean, here's a neat electric candle. And again, swing by the site. If you're driving right now, don't worry. We'll have it archived for you. Visit Graveline.com. Here's a unique candle that has a complete, very lengthy message all the way around, which I won't try to read. But there's verbiage all the way around this electric candle. It's pretty cool.
So next to the 3D software users, we have a lot of creative people who like to make items that are unique, customized or personalized. But they don't know how to use this 3D software. And for them, we have at Shapeways the Creator. Now, it's an online software tool that you can use, and just by typing in text, in the case of the light poem that you just held, you can make your own light candle. And it's just by typing in text. You can do it in 2 minutes. You have your own unique item.
So that's something that you would already have readily available for someone to use at the website, and
of course
they put their own text in it.
Yeah, and with the Christmas days just behind us, we had another thing which is called the ring poem. And that's just a napkin ring, a few words and the name of the person in there, and you have your own personalized napkin rings for the family dinner.
Yeah, thank you for joining us this Christmas 2008. That's pretty cool.
Yep, and at $8 each, I think we even made 3D printing affordable with this.
That's a good point. And I mentioned, of course, things like company logos. Now, are you doing a lot of those as well? Because I can see where folks can take even more advantage to doing some unique 3D things to help them market.
Yeah, well, the logos we haven't seen too many of yet, but an interesting part of our community is into, for instance, model trains. They're making all kinds of interesting items for their model train setup, like station houses that they couldn't buy in the regular stores, or even train carts and items for their setup. Or people who are into technical hobbies like robots. They make spare parts for their robots or for their model airplanes. So all kinds of technical but also decorative stuff is made through the Shapeways service.
And Pete, what determines the price then? How do you figure out, so give somebody an idea, if they're going to get very elaborate, no doubt, it's going to cost more, I'm sure.
Well, the machine doesn't mind about how detailed the object is. The only thing that counts is the amount of material that you use. The more material you use, the price goes up.
So how big the item may end up being, right?
Yes. So the napkin ring I already said to you is about $8. We have a little cartoon puppet here as well. That's maybe $15 to $20. And because our light poem is a slight bit bigger, it's about $80.
Gotcha. Well, how big can you go? What's the biggest size you can print in 3D?
Well, about the size of a small microwave.
Wow.
Yep.
Okay, so somebody can get real creative and do something in 3D, design a little something, and you'll print it for them.
Definitely. And we ship worldwide. And people should remember the prices are including the shipping cost. So, you just pay what the object costs, and we ship it worldwide to you. In 10 days you have it.
And how long does it take? You said 10 days,
10
so
days.
obviously it's being done and you'll end up getting it very quickly. What kind of materials do you use? I did say it's kind of like a plastic-like material.
I brought nylon here with me today, which is a versatile, a bit flexible material. But we have 5 materials. We have a transparent material, we have a black material, and we'll be adding more and more colors and different types of materials as time goes by. We only launched 8 months ago, so at 5 materials that's, I think, pretty okay.
Yes.
And we'll be adding more and more materials as in this year.
Excellent. It's called Shapeways. That's also the website. You want to swing by there, shapeways.com, to learn more. That's pretty cool stuff, and I think a unique opportunity to have folks do some real customization of something that perhaps they design.
Indeed.
Thank you, Pete. We appreciate you being on the show.
Thank you.
Shapeways.com for more. Of course, our site for links to all of our guests. Check out all the videos as well. I'm Dave Graveline. Into Tomorrow continues from CES Don't go away.